A warning that some viewers may find this next story disturbing. CTV News has obtained security footage of a violent confrontation yesterday afternoon at a laundromat in the city's West End. In the video, one man can be seen throwing a piece of clothing at another. The other man gets up and throws a punch, but is hit twice with a recycling bin. As he's down on the ground, he's struck on the back of the head with what appears to be wire cutters before being kicked. He struggles to get up while the other man leaves. The owner of Budget Coin Laundry on Dundas West says seeing the video was very upsetting.
I feared for the fact that this gentleman could walk out on the streets and then, for instance, walk into another business, another 100 feet, 50 feet, however distance away, and commit the same crime or something even more severe.
I feel bad to hear that happened. That's scary. Yeah. And I hope that the person who was attacked is okay.
Police say the two men are not known to each other and an investigation has been launched.